long it's been. This dream burns inside of me, and I can't just let it go. There's still so much that I don't know. I keep my eyes wide open. Bless this ground unbroken.
Walking with cousin she's exercising on a cold summer.
It's not cold.
You wanted to get warm, so we gotta take
And I'm walking with her. But I'm not in the picture.
What's the camera lens frame top video?
What? No, I don't. You see them walking up and down to gate, their belly flat, flat, flat. I can't walk behind them anymore.
The video guys, one cousin Mel. We know she crazy. Cousin Mel is running.
Oh, she's so fit. She's so fit. She's so fit. Melly's so fit. Melly's so fit. Melly's so fit. Melly's so fit. Go, Melly. Go, Melly.
Auntie Cheryl walking.
Cheryl's so fit. Cheryl's so fit. Cheryl's so fine. She blow my mind. Oh, Cheryl. Go, Cheryl. Go, Cheryl. Cheryl's so fit. Cheryl's so fine. Cheryl's so fit.
And my mother the cheerleader. Some round Rosina.
She happy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What else are you going to do? You tell me, ladies, what are you going to do afterward? You know I'm a Chinese man. I'm a man now. Exercise your body, exercise your body. Girl, you look nice. Girl, you look sweet. Exercise your body.
Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah, it was on the crisscross.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Rosanne getting fitter and fitter. And Melly getting slimmer and slimmer. And what you getting now?
Fatter and fatter.
No, she ain't get. She ain't getting no thick. She look good.
2,
All you girls look sexy.
5, 6,
Eh. She's flaunting what her mama give her.
9, 10. We're gonna spin roll.
Jesus Christ. No, sir. This girl is ratchet. I'm watching all these. Yeah. Yeah, Shell, you nice. You hot, girl, you hot. Sure. Yeah. Sexy girl pose. Sure. Drop it and bend down low, girl. Hey, she touch a big toe, girl. Hey, them no know. You hot there. You hot, girl. You hot, girl. Wait, hey. Go, girl. Mag upon them, cause you look good, girl. Hey. Lord. Oh, that was so. Hey, you see the body there? Hey. Wait, hey. Hey, check it. It's stiff though. Yeah, make the body clap. Shake it, Shelly. Shell it, don't move.
See there? It a move?
No, it's stuck. It's too tough. The body too tough. Melly, I go make the body. Hey, hey, drop it down low, girl. Drop it down low. Hey, hey, hey.
Football workout.
Hey, go,
Rose, she get the Stella got a groove back.
Ah, she looks young, though. She's so young.
Who got energy?
Hey, go, hey. Come into it, man. Hey. Oh God, she get old. She cold. She cold.
So we're on the train and today I'm trying to find my way from my cousin's house to some Penn Station. You know, I'm very bad at names. Penn Station and Speedway.
It's not even named Penn Station, it's 42nd Street. Port
Port
Authority.
See, when I get last one. Port Authority.
If you want to go on the train, not bad.
Because I'm trying to find my way.
Take you going main or something like that.
That's all I can sure need to know. So I'm going to find my way on my own in the city. 42nd Street, Port Authority. We're at the train station.
No.
So kicking it with my friend. I think she was live. I'm thinking with my friend Dimitri. What's the light train on Dimitri? You hear the train there? You guys hear the train, right? Yes.
Yeah, the subway station.
Oh, sorry, they call it subway. We're at the subway station. Boy, the proper thing learning. Oh, and I forget that you can't video on the street because it's illegal here. I don't know why. But I'm still going on the video.
They might think she work with Al-Qaeda and the rest of them people.
What? Really?
Well, that's not good.
And I said, me and my people are friends. Me and my people. All my people are in the backyard. Shopping mall section of the subway palace. And this is where we are. It's a sign on the wall. All I can say is people decorate their television very, very, very well. And it's out so I won't get lost tomorrow for the photo shoot tomorrow. I'm scared as hell. Yes, because I'm gonna do it on my own tomorrow. Seems like it's a straight road. Or not, because it seems like it's turning. I'm not sure.
Well, go up the escalator right here. So keep in mind this gate number 401 to 421.
401 to 421. Well, you look back on from there already, whatever. Just keep in mind all these gate things on the escalator. Keep in the shade one sign, show you sign it. People over supposed to be fine. There's so much escalators all over the place. Escalator. I'll use the bowling alley as a landmark. I'm just repeating everything. More escalator?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm tired of the escalator business now.
Oh, if you never escalator.
Neymar! Yeah, and that man messaged me again. He went, Neymar is in the subway! Hello! Yes, my husband. Brazil to the world! Hey, honey. We've gone into whatever train station. So guess where we are at? We are at the World Trade Center. It's so bright. It's bright here. And they have lots of cameras for some reason. There's cameras everywhere. Why do I look them up?
God, they might look fun people like me.
Oh. You're looking at people then. And it is why there's a white like outside. It look white on TV.
Don't believe everything when you see on TV, people. Alright?
It looks
When you
different.
show on TV and when you come to the reality of it, it's a different thing.
Yeah, it kind of look different. On TV, it kind of look
Right?
somewhat glamorous. I don't know.
On TV, they try to paint a picture so like it's a bit of roses or nothing like that.
Okay. You heard from Yardy American.
No, I go so.
And the American flag. Video of Dimitri taking my photo at the World Trade Center. That's him right there. So he's making a video of taking my picture and I'm making a video of him taking my picture, if that makes any sense, at the World Trade Center. And all I can say, these people are full of TV and photos all over the place. They have lots of phone cases on the wall. Oh, we're in Apple. Photos on the wall.
Good to know some high people, huh?
Look at the long ass TV. TV goes straight to the wall. You walk in. For some reason, in America is so glamorous. But guess what I just say? Don't believe the eye. What do you mean to them to don't believe the eye?
Believe the eye.
Dimitri,
money talk and bullshit walk.
Dimitri want them yard then. Wait, some are firing for the money, but the happy saying they're firing. They want to be hard, they don't. They just want to make them money.
So I make the money so I can go back home.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
That's it.
At least in love yard, that's nice.
Hey little man.
So in love yard. I love yard too. And I miss yard already. Seen water out that side and Dimitri's coming probably to show me the photos that he just took. Look at this staircase. It's absolutely gorgeous. Amazing staircase. Thank you for a wonderful day. Today was fun. This building is absolutely gorgeous. The detail of this building is so beautiful. Somebody said I work overtime. Hello? Ceiling. No, sir. They must pay in more money. Pretty. I don't know, something wrong more overseas, you know. Inside is so cool and nice. And outside coming like hell.
Jamaica received it.
No, Jamaica nice all the time. Look at the chair thingies.
Jamaica be cool breeze.
Jamaica weather is nice. I don't know where we are.
Hey, look, you see everybody want the AC and they don't want to do it. So.
Oh, that makes no one get a nice tan. See my brother when it's a Sunday.
They want black.
Smart dude right there to the side, say back to the tan. That's right, you might get to the island. The island vibe. But I think we're at the pier, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look at boats. Come on. We're gonna look at boats. This is the best thing I've seen so far alive. Cause in my camera place, I'm gonna end up like Barkley. That was cute.
Barkley and
Yeah. And cause my camera Manhattan. I do like Manhattan.
man, you there right now?
But I'm Manhattan again?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna go to a new again. Never mind. But I never see the pier.
So this is downtown.
This is downtown Manhattan. And downtown, but we're uptown
Wall
something
Street,
around.
Financial District.
Oh, I'm at Wall Street. Oh, like Leo.
Financial District.
Leo did move from Wall Street.
Yeah.
So I'm acting on Wall Street right now.
It's not bad.
And behind me are all the boats.
Yeah, what do you got?
Yachts. Not boats, yachts. It's called for high class up in there. So it's yachts. Look at all the cute yachts.
Oh, you beautiful yacht.
So rich people yacht them.
The goal to me now.
Oh, there is some sort of
Shana me want Dimitri. Shana is yachts.
Whichever one of them. You don't need nothing too fancy. Like this is good.
Oh, which one here? What's that cute big one right there? If you all get rich, go big and done. Am I right, people? Right.
Right, well, guess what?
All the building is, man. And the detail of the building.
It's the GoPro.
It's so tall, the detail of it.
Where you want a picture of the detail?
Video of the detail of the building. But this will kill me. Why is Dimitri stretching for my camera? He's stretching for my phone. They have a team phone out there, sir? Like a very cheap out there, sir. Not time for my idiot phone.
Anything you say?
Okay, a garden area? In a garden area across the street from the yacht. Oh, it's like a park.
Yeah. Pretty much it.
And that's it. American flag
I know somebody who
for the fallen
who
people
died
in
in
9/11. You know somebody what?
I know one lady who worked here and died in 9/11.
Really think?
Yeah, sure.
The flag
College,
for the
everything,
fallen
money, you
people in
name it, she good.
9/11. Why is that such a sad story?
It is a sad story.
And this beauty place and look at the street and decor. Yeah, everything's looking at Moody to buy. Decor is so beautiful. See that decor.
What do you want?
Black and white. You know, that's my color. Second best day. The second, you need to read the blog. The second one is my second best day in New York since December time. Serve you right. Serve you right. Yes, my second best day. And today's finished. What? She's like, I can't walk. And Fatty's outside. Fatty. No. He was making a video. Me now walk. Come Fatty, me never.
Take it down, you don't like it?
If I'm behind it, like, come Fatty, me go walk. Go walk Fatty.
You get on it already?
Yeah.
Aye.
This is that cow. Yeah.
If you watch her, you know, turn round and I be a black me I see.